Hello again. Today we're going to visit a lesser known railway museum in the town of Nîmes in the south of France. Away from the usual tourist destinations, this museum is quite difficult to find. There's no signpost that up this road is a great museum that's well worth visiting. Past this old water tower and a monument to fallen railway workers is an unassuming entrance to the museum, which is only open on a Saturday afternoon. Let's check it out. Housed in the old workshop, some of which is still used by SNCF today, this collection is managed by an enthusiastic bunch of people who were delighted to show me around and explain each item to me. The star of the collection has to be this wonderful Canadian-built Mikado 282 steam locomotive number 141R1298. What a beauty this is, and it worked its life from this very shed. You can even climb up into the cab and sit in the driver's seat. What a treat to see this. One of the other things I loved seeing was this Y8000 shunter number 7679. They also had this ex-military tractor and a Renault-powered engineer's railcar that operates on open days. But there's lots more to see than just these items. The main part of the Roundhouse has some great electric locomotives to check out. This is a CC class locomotive number 6575 in a fantastic livery. The tour allows you to sit inside the cab as well as check out the engine compartment. Next is this early BB class number E4152, originally operated by MIDI pre-SNCF. It has a long history of operation. Here too you can climb aboard and be amazed at the cool looking controls and marvel at how uncomfortable it is to operate. Check out the engine room. Next is another BB class in one of my favourite liveries. Such a smart design. This one is number 9411 and was built in 1959. It represents the last one ever built. It just looks so cool. And finally, still under restoration, is this Star locomotive. This CC class, number 7121, held the world speed record for the fastest electric locomotive for a while. This part of the Roundhouse is still used by SNCF to service diesel units. The Roundhouse and working turntable are really impressive and contain other items on display. For example, this diesel shunter, this postal van, and this bizarre looking tunnel profile machine. These two tanker wagons are well preserved too. And this twin-barreled wagon was really quite cool. I've only ever seen these in model form. I didn't actually really think they existed in real life, but here it is. As well as locomotives and rolling stock, there is an extensive collection of memorabilia and railway artefacts on display. These large-scale models were particularly impressive. And there's a model railway under construction. There's also an exhibition of vintage firefighting equipment, and some pre-SNCF items on display. Plus the coolest bar I've ever seen. This is a great museum run by a small team of dedicated enthusiasts. I'd really recommend visiting here if you can, and I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and all that stuff, as it really helps my channel. That's it for today though, so I'll see you on the next video.